Hello. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to convert video files from one file type to another file type using ffmpeg. ffmpeg is free software, open source if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so firstly, we actually need a file that we want to convert. So here's our file. So in the top here, you'll see this is called the address bar. For those of you that do not know that, so we can see the location of this file is under the C directory. The C partition in :/ffmpeg examples, and the file name is called filename.mp4. Now this is just a a music video, and we can play it. Looks something like that. Okay. Don't really care what's in it. It's just an example. So you're going to have to make a note of where this file actually is located. So let's go to our guide. So first step is open command prompt. So to open command prompt, you can use the Windows button on your keyboard. That's the one that looks like a window, and the R, letter R for Romeo. You can press those two simultaneously. That's going to open run. Then from there you can type cmd, and that would open command prompt. I like to use this method because it's going to be the same for most Windows operating systems. Once again, this guide is a Windows guide only, so if you have another operating system, unfortunately you will have to figure that out on your own. Good luck with that. Okay, so we've got command prompt open here. Let's just put it to one side. Now step 2, navigate to the file you want to convert. So we see that currently we are in the wrong directory. We're on the C users Jonathan T directory, so we want to change that. So to change your directory, you have to type cd, which is an abbreviation for change directory, and then space, and then the folder that you want to change the directory to. So what you can actually do is you can just copy this whole location here in your address bar. So if we copy that and we paste it, or you can type it out. Let me just show you this quickly. What I actually do is, if you type cd and then the drive that you're working on, so C:/ and then the folder ffm, and then if you press tab, it's going to auto-complete that folder for you. If it doesn't show the right folder, don't worry, you can just press tab again and it's actually going to cycle through all the folders that starts with the letters you've already typed. Okay, so this is the right one, and I'm just going to hit enter here, and now as you can see, it's changed our present working directory to the correct directory, as it is the same as here. Let me just move that there. There we go. Okay, so here's the file that we're going to convert. We're going to convert this video file from mp4 to .avi. Okay, so what does our guide say? Navigate to the file that you want to convert. Done. Type the following command: ffmpeg -i filename.new file extension. So first off, ffmpeg is the name of the program that we will be using, and you can only use it this way if you followed my previous guide of how to install ffmpeg. So if your ffmpeg is not in this Windows System32 directory, this method is not going to work. In any case, so the -i is just to specify that we want to say that this is the file that we're going to input. So the file name we will be replacing with the file name of the file that we want to convert. Then this part here, filename.new file extension, is what we are converting the video to. So let's just have a look at that first. So the file name is currently filename.mp4, and let's convert that to example1.avi. So our command is going to look like this: ffmpeg -i, which specifies the input file. Then we type the input file, so which would be file name, and I just press tab to autocomplete there. I can't type that fast. And then space, and then the file name that you want to give to this file. So we said example.avi, avi. Let's just call it example1 because I'll do a more advanced example after this one. And if we hit enter, it is going to start converting this file from a MP4 to an AVI. And as you can see, this command is already starting to convert this file. And there it's done, just like that. Okay, no ads, no fuss. I really like this program. And there's our new our AVI file, and we can open that, and then you can see the file is actually working. I'm not going to show the whole video, obviously. Okay, and that's how to use ffmpeg. Look, you can convert not just from MP4 to AVI. You can convert from lots of different codecs to lots of different codecs. Go check on the ffmpeg website for more information of what you can actually do with ffmpeg. I'm not going to discuss all of that, but I will show you one more advanced example quickly.